Guys, may ako nakita sa YouTube to. Tawag to Start Survey. Nakakatakot to. Horror. Tara na. Ay! Tara, laro na tayo guys. Start Survey. Huh? Ayun na. Start survey. Are you having a nice day? Yes. Do you have many responsibilities? Yes. Look around for a moment. Are you familiar with your surroundings? Have you ever had a panic attack? Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? Do you find yourself questioning your Hindi, pag pinundot ko no way, may nakakatakot ka no way. Hindi! Sabi mo ano na ba? Agad. Are you scared of the darkness? Yes. Takot ka pala sa darkness. Are you answering this question out of free will? Are you curtain? Yes. We've been told they don't always make sense, at least not. But maybe you're different, or maybe you're finding something. The system is still the same thing. Hindi pa ako tapos magbasa. Hindi na ako magbasa. Kaya lang magbasa. Ano pala? Yes. Parang green to eh. Do you have any hobbies? Yes. Do you feel comfortable in your room? Yes. If the lights went out, would you be scared? Kuya, tingnan mo! Natin ilaw. Yes. Have you ever wondered when you will die? Yes. Nabuksin yung pinto. Have you cleaned your desk? Open the folder on the desk. Wait, tignan mo. Nalaman na. You are from Philippines. Ano nalaman? Philippines Is the true? Yes. Do you have internet access?
No.
Do you have any enemies? Yes. Ano pala, wala ako. Are you playing on a mobile phone? Yes. Totoo yun. Do you think often about
Wait na!
it?
Ang gagawa mo dito?
You suddenly when missing, would anybody come looking for you? Yes. Kuya, tingnan mo to!
Are you alone?
Sundot mo! You aren't alone. Did you check your room?
Yes.
Do you believe we are living in solution?
Pindot natin.
Do you accept being washed? Yes.
Pindot natin.
No.
Ano ito? Kasama mo.
Do you ever feel like you when I want to do something bad have even if you scared scream would anybody hear?
Are you
Ano
scared?
pinag Are you scared of them?
Or ghost? No. Di ako takot.
Do you know the Pundot ko, yes! Di ka naman ikaw yun.
Tapos?
Do
Gagawin.
you know the person standing behind you? Tingnan mo sa ipon mo!
O yan eh.
Try ko na yun eh.
Are you alone? Yes.
Natakot. Hindi! Ngayon tao.
Ayun. Kumukha ko.
Ano ka mukha mo? Are you relax? Yes.
Dapat yung sinita.
Busing pinto. Natakot.
You saw this. And where's
Hindi! You saw these answers really let you know.
Uy! Ako na lang! Takot ka eh.
We
Pick up.
we don't know if this is for your better. We will let you continue now.
We will block you.
Your feelings real and not just progress. Red. Di pa ako tapos magbasa. Did you cry today? Have you seen the person standing outside your window? Nabuksin ano? Bintana. Okay. Is there a meaning to life? Oh, hindi yun. Hindi yun.
Uy, pre. Itang pangit mo.
Sirado mo yung pantana. Have you
Ikaw to eh.
Do you know what is happening? Yes, ano natin? Sa may multo. Have you ever heard strange or... Yes, yes.
Ay, hindi pala. Natatakot.
Sleep tayo, diba?
Paulit-ulit!
Oh, yes, yes tayo. Ayun pa ba tatapos yan?
Nathan, burato 10. Ay,
Takot ako!
takot din ako. Gulat ako. Alam ko yung tao. Yeah. Gulat ako.
Ah! Ano, Nathan?
Kamukha mo!
Ikaw na lang.
Ano yun? Nathan, sa likod mo!
Wala nga. Diyan ko lang. Ang dami questions.
Uy, Rubik's Cube oh!
Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Talaro na tayo. Do you want...
Kailangan natin malaman.
Look out your window. Tingnan natin, tingnan natin. Sabi tayo. Tita, natin. Hindi ako makasapaan. Wala na, wala. Uy, wala na. Wala. Yung wala.
Ano naman eh.
Ano? Ito. Ano tao yan? Tapos na eh.
Dito nga tayo, Nathan. Dito ulit tayo. Sama. Ano naman pinto? Hindi pa rin takot.
Nag-video ako. Coming to part 2.